Hi, meteorologist Peter Hall. Here is your NBC3 forecast. And as we look ahead today, we're finally getting ourselves back to normal. It's going to be very enjoyable this afternoon. Now, remember, it's mid-November. The normal high is 49. Now, we haven't been there the last 2 days. We were only in the 30s. But today, we're actually going to be pretty close. Quite a bit of sunshine for central New York with some high thin clouds developing midday and afternoon. Now, there's going to be a difference if you're watching this directly east of Lake Ontario. I'll show you that on the Futurecast because there's going to be some extra clouds up there. We're going to be raking in the sunshine and improving temperatures, and that leaves us in prime position the next few days to enjoy some outdoor weather. An uptick in temperatures will end on Monday with tumbling temperatures. Now, I did do some subliminal messaging here, so take a look at this. Raking leaves up. I did that on purpose. Brandon's listening because he's got to do that at his house. You know, we had some leaves go down, but then we had a lot of wind recently a few days ago that blew a lot more leaves down. And then we had rain, and then we had snow. Now it's all like soaked on the ground. Good news is great drying conditions today, tomorrow, Saturday, and maybe even most of Sunday. So if I were you, take advantage, especially Saturday. Sunday's a little bit iffy, but certainly Saturday, we've got a few days of drying, do some raking. So there you go. Now, remember I just said I was going to show you in the Futurecast that there's going to be some extra clouds in spots? At least as of mid-morning, a lot of the cloud coverage is roughly straight east of the lake. Now, this is going to basically be in that position and then maybe edging a little further north. You get the point. If you're watching us east of Lake Ontario, you are going to have extra clouds, while the rest of central New York has a bright and sunny morning and sunshine through a veil of high clouds midday and afternoon. And yes, we're seizing seasonable numbers. Look for a high of 45 to 50. Winds from the west-southwest at about 10 to 20 miles an hour midday and afternoon. Overnight tonight, maybe some extra clouds northeast of Lake Ontario. Otherwise, just some thin high clouds again. And those thin high clouds will be with us tomorrow. So instead of, let's say, deep blue sky like we're going to see tomorrow morning, Friday morning skies are going to be in that milky category, although those clouds sometimes make really pretty sunsets and sunrises. So be on the lookout for those sunset tonight, and the sunrise and sunset tomorrow could be really pretty with those high, thin ice crystal type clouds. Friday, high temperatures just about everywhere should exceed 50. 50 to 55, a good bet. Nice fine finish to the work week. Well, let's zoom out since there's really not much going on locally over the next couple of days. You're going to say, well, Pete, I see something down here by Saturday morning. And yeah, you're right. There is some rain along the 95 corridor and points east from Boston to Providence, New York City, and Atlantic City. This system, though, is going to edge off east and not hit us. So that means the next weather system we're going to watch is way out here, Midwest. So there's time. That's why Saturday should be sunny. This thing gets closer at the finish of Sunday, and eventually I think the wettest weather is probably going to be Sunday night. So even Sunday looks pretty good, too. Today in Syracuse, Auburn, Skaneateles, Cazenovia, Manlius, Cortland, Ithaca, Norwich, all of these places should have about 90% sun. Much less, though, directly east of Lake Ontario. Friday, sunshine through a veil of high clouds, 75% sunshine total, 95% sunshine on Saturday. Precipitation probability for Syracuse is near zero, and most of central New York is near zero today, tomorrow, and Saturday. There's a 1 in 3 chance for showers Sunday afternoon. Sunday night into Monday morning, that appears to be prime time for some rain. And then a cold front comes through, and then we're over these flurries and snow showers Tuesday night, and Wednesday morning. Here is your 7-day forecast. Near normal today, tomorrow, above normal Saturday, Sunday. Temperatures falling on Monday. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall here, you there watching us. We appreciate it. Find more on our website, cnycentral.com.